Unlocking idioms. Have a hawk's eye. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, have a hawk's eye. Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say but have a symbolic meaning. Understanding them can be a key to mastering English. So, let's explore what it means to have a hawk's eye and how you can use this phrase in everyday conversation. The idiom, have a hawk's eye, comes from the extraordinary vision of hawks. These birds are known for their sharp eyesight, which allows them to spot prey from a great distance. When someone is said to have a hawk's eye, it means they have an exceptional ability to notice or see small details. This can refer to physical vision, like noticing a tiny object, or more metaphorical vision, like spotting a mistake in a document or a hidden opportunity. Now, let's see how to use have a hawk's eye in different contexts. 1. At work, our editor has a hawk's eye for grammatical errors. 2. In everyday life, you must have a hawk's eye to spot a four-leaf clover in that large field. 3. In sports, the referee must have a hawk's eye to catch every foul in the game. There are other idioms and phrases with similar meanings. For example, eagle-eyed. This is very similar to having a hawk's eye, implying keen observation skills. Sharp as a tack. While this can refer to intelligence, it also implies being very perceptive. On the ball. This means being alert and aware, which can involve noticing details. Understanding idioms like have a hawk's eye can add color and depth to your English. It's not just about the words but the imagery and cultural context they bring. We hope this video has given you a clearer insight into this fascinating idiom. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.